This late-day lawyer fight was after the jury had already gone home for the day. Basically, it boils down to both sides accusing the other of dumping expert reports at the very last minute. Now, both sides say that they need more time to evaluate what the other side has come up with. Karen Read's defense attorney, Robert Alessi, he went so far as to suggest to the judge that there might need to be a delay in this trial, that it might need to be put on hold. Outside court just a few more months ago, Karen Read said she agrees with Alessi's argument.
Yeah, he's correct. Everything Bob says, replay it back, I feel exactly the same. They're trying now to put on a defense against my defense.
Now, the judge did not immediately rule on any of this today, but for the most part, throughout the day, jurors listened to testimony from the medical examiner who performed the autopsy on John O'Keefe's body. We already knew from the first trial that Dr. Irini Scorbello had determined that she could not determine a cause of death, that this was not a homicide. And on the stand again today for this second trial, Scorbello repeated that's because she did not have enough information about the circumstances. So she left the manner of death as undetermined on the death certificate. However, Scorbello was able to determine that O'Keefe died from blunt impact injuries to the head as well as hypothermia. That is consistent with the prosecution's theory of O'Keefe being hit by Read's SUV, striking his head on the ground, and being left out in the snow.
So if I understand, you are not saying to a reasonable degree of medical certainty that hypothermia was the cause of death?
Not the primary. It contributed, but the primary cause of death was blunt impact injuries of head.
Now, Read's defense is trying to pick apart that hypothermia diagnosis. They have promised that another expert will testify that O'Keefe did not die from hypothermia because their theory is that O'Keefe was killed inside the house, then dragged out into the cold after he had died. Now, the medical examiner also noted scratches on O'Keefe's right arm, a cut on his right knee, and bruises on his right hand. She says the bruises on his hand, at least one of them, might have been caused when EMTs and other medical officials put in an IV, but she said she could not determine the cause of the other injuries. Live in Dedham, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.